Welcome back to another episode of Your Review Channel. Do appreciate you stopping by for this one. This is all about the Graco 4-in-1 car seat, or Grows for Me car seat. Very, very important. How to install it for rear facing. Let's get into the video right now. Okay, so my daughter has this Grows for Me car seat 4-in-1, and she had it in incorrectly, and I want to make a video to show you how to do this incorrectly. And this is for the rear facing seat at this point. My granddaughter's in the rear facing, so this is what I'm focusing on right now, and she had it in somewhat right but wrong. So this mechanism comes with the car seat. You can either use the lap belt itself, or you can use this anchor, which I recommend using the anchor. Most cars today are designed for this. So one clip goes in the anchor, and then you slide it through the car. It shows you really where to put it. Slide it right in the front, right where it shows you right there the arrows, and it goes right through, and this holds it into the seat. Okay, so if you get into a crash, it won't flip forward at all. So I mean reverse, won't go forward. And this clips on the other side. You have to make sure it's clipped correctly so it won't move. So she had that in correctly, but what she had not correctly, it was the rear. So make sure the bubble's in the blue, okay? And it kept on sliding around. She goes, I don't know what's wrong with it. I said, let me look at the instructions and figure it out for you. This back anchor, she did not have hooked up at all, which is very dangerous. The car can flip forward, she can get seriously hurt, and I was very angry. I said, I'm going to make a video and show you. This has to be anchored down, hold the seat down, so it won't go forward and won't go backwards. Very important. This is like the most important thing. So now I've secured it, and I wanted to just make a quick video and just show you how to do that. It has to be done, and make sure the bubble is in the blue, the ball, and let's continue. So if you want to adjust the pitch, you just leave them right here where it says recline. That adjusts the pitch backwards and forwards. You can really get the child very comfortable and get them, get everything squared away, and that's how you adjust the pitch of the car seat itself. And if you want to adjust the height for the child's head, this goes up and down real easy, really quick and easy. So this is how you adjust that. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial just how to install it for rear facing. I wanted to make this video because I was quite frustrated the way my daughter put it in, and I hope you learned how to put it in correctly. Please follow the instructions, look at everything carefully. It makes a difference. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the quick video, and if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate that so much. It does show me some love. Also, like and share with other people as well, so not everybody really knows how to install them, and I want to show them. Alright guys, that's it for me, and I'll see you at the next review.